Coming off the truck behind us right now are some very rare scooters, and two of them are in there.
GT1 and GT2 are here! I probably shouldn't be stomping on the boxes though, but they're here! Super scooters! This is the GT1 and GT2 from Segway. There are only 3 of these and 3 of these in the entire US right now, and we've got 2 of them. We can't wait to get these unboxed and check them out. All right, we got little latches down here. 3 more on the back. Ooh. It comes off like a TV set. Ta-da! So the first piece of styrofoam is ejected itself. And then we have, haha, the dashboard. Dual chargers, because this thing's got a really big battery. Let's go ahead and pop this up. Boom. Get some hardware and some tools. Let's get this thing together. Oh, look at that. It's like a heads-up display. I've lifted heavier. And there it is. Let's check out the suspension. Little adjusters down here, in the front, and in the back. Little charging port right here. It's a dual charging port too. It's fully assembled now, and not fully charged, but is otherwise ready to ride. I'm gonna unbox the GT1. So these scooters look a lot alike, but the one way you can tell them apart, aside from the 01 and the 02 marked down low on the frame, is when you turn it on, the display is completely different. They're both in color, but the GT2, you can see right through it like a heads-up display on a fighter jet, but this is more conventional LED. Oh, hey, Premier, you gotta come check this out. The GT2 is here.
Holy sh**. Let's crank it on. How do you turn it on?
Power's right over here. And the horn, check this out.
How much battery does it have?
It's got like 38%, so I gotta get it on charge so I can go test it tomorrow.
38%? That's enough to go ride it right now.
You know what, you're right. I gotta go for a ride, but you know what? We got a GT1 also, so I think we both gotta go ride.
Okay, yeah, let's go, let's go.
I love the hydraulic damping on this. It's got adjustable shocks front and rear. It's got controls like an F1 car over here where you can dial it back, eco, sport, race mode. Oh, it flies. Click the link in the video description for Segway's Indiegogo campaign, where you'll find the GT1 and GT2 for $500 off. That was fun. I have never been more excited to test 2 new scooters. Nobody outside of China has reviewed these yet. The GT1 and GT2 both feel super stable to ride, and the build quality details are just on another level. This could be the biggest quantum leap forward for electric scooters since the Ninebot Max came out in 2019. Subscribe now because you don't want to miss the upcoming ESG review where we compare these super scooter GT2 and GT1 and reveal their top speed, range, and acceleration, and more importantly, what it's like to ride the 2 coolest scooters on the planet.